amazing to look at this dam and to think that these little creatures built that with all these twigs, cutting it down with their teeth, and swimming it out here and packing it with mud. And I got him. Wow. That was great. When we started on this all-inclusive, I will call it that, I saw that they had the option for fishing. And I really didn't think too much about it. I thought, first of all, I haven't fished since I was a kid. I wouldn't catch anything anyway. And I wasn't going to do anything, get a license. But then you said you were going to.
Yes, I really wanted to fish. I figured, at the very least, at least I could throw my pole in with a worm and a bobber. That'd be minimal, just to see what would happen and have that experience. And if we caught a fish, and it was the right thing, we were going to eat it. But I just wanted to have that experience if it was available.
Yeah.
And I talked to Das, and he said, I'm going to fish. So I knew there were going to be two of us, and then I think it kind of caught fire.
Yeah.
And the licenses were pretty inexpensive. So we said, most of us fished.
Yeah.
At one point or another.
Yes.
Oh my God!
Wow.
Oh.
Wow. Man, oh man. Way to go, Dawson.
Oh, good one, Dawson.
Hey, I was gonna say, hold it up.
Yeah.
Yay!
Video. Go, go, go.
Oh, shit. It's huge.
Oh! Look at that!
That's one for the books.
Look at that! Woo!
What did you use for bait?
That was the walleye.
I know. I used walleye for bait.
Walleye for bait. Let me turn to your right.
So we
Dave,
got
look at that. Walleye caught that. Damn!
Northern pine.
Damn! That's a woo! How big, Dave, do you think that is?
Tom had the right description.
What?
You got a glove?
Go ahead, Tom.
You want one?
Turducken, yeah. It's a fish dunkin. Instead of a turducken, it's a fish dunkin.
I need the big. Oh.
You've got it there.
Okay.
You want to pick up the whole fish?
Oh my gosh.
All right. So
Yeah, there you go.
Go ahead. Tell us
So-
what happened.
on the way up to Lac La Croix, caught a nice sized walleye. Well, we put it in the, we left it in Lake Agnes where we're camping at here, on a stringer, and this big guy came along and ate him. So we got a walleye inside of this big old northern pike.
Holy cow. Now there are two fish on the side there.
One is mine, one is yours.
Okay, which one is mine? The little one?
This one's yours. And then that other one's a walleye.
All right.
Give me this other glove.
What did I catch? Is that a walleye too?
That's a walleye there that on the way back here.
Okay.
Hand me my other gloves.
Okay. Yeah.
It's all right, Zach. You can stand in front of me.
I'm trying to help.
Thank you.
We'll have to edit
Wasn't
Zach.
100% prepared. Thank you.
Now,
Still there, Olivia?
holy cow.
Okay.
Fantastic.
Where's Dave at with his tape measure?
Now,
Are you gonna eat that?
Oh yeah.
Here, you do the honors. You got the. You're gonna weigh it.
They're gonna weigh it.
He maxed out over 8 pounds. I'd say
Wow.
he might be a 10 to 12.
definitely.
Look at his
Wow.
gill. There's another fish inside there, kids. Can you show his mouth?
Wait, he has another fish in his mouth?
Yeah, he ate
Yeah,
another
I
fish.
can't get a good hold
Like
on.
a fish.
I think that was bigger.
Look at that.
Wow.
That is bigger.
That is bigger. I got a mitt.
So, in addition to the fish that we had 3 nights, had some pretty good food on the trip too.
You did.
First night we had steak. Ryan cooked the steak. Yeah. Baked potatoes and something else. Maybe? I believe you're right. I believe it was.
So maybe coleslaw.
Cabbage. Yeah,
Cabbage.
Yeah, it was coleslaw basically.
Yep.
Yeah. And that was the fresh food that we had. Had some other interesting things.
Yeah, stroganoff. the
Yeah.
Last night.
Yeah.
Which was good. We made our own burritos one night,
Yeah.
and then one night we made our own pizzas, which was on a tortilla shell.
I liked that a lot. You could fold it and it was like a quesadilla.
Great.
And that tortilla shell was so crisp. Good. What are you making?
Making pizza tonight.
Okay. Let me see it. Let me see it close up here. All right, looks great. You guys go ahead of me. I'm not in a hurry.
He's documenting the whole process.
I'm watching this.
And his pizza's probably gonna be the best because he's gonna see how
I'm learning.
almost.
I got the pizza making peel in my hand right now. I did that a little backwards.
You made a burrito. Okay. All right. Fantastic.
Oh yeah.
So they actually had a shipyard there that did that back.
So-
My grandfather was a welder in that before he went to the Navy in World War II in the Pacific.
So what are you guys fixing this morning?
Biscuits and gravy.
All right. Sounds good.
Gravy's done.
Okay.
Yep.
Okay.
These are the healthy, hearty biscuits.
Good.
They're thick.
Awesome. We've been eating very well on this trip.
Yes.
Anything you'd like to say, Brian?
I don't think it's anything I want to say. I think I just want to point that way with the picture and 1,000 words. I mean, look at
Yeah.
I mean, this spot is unbelievable. And of course, the group of guys is always unbelievable. So thanks again for organizing.
Great. A topic that has been brought up many times and many questions. We actually got a lot of laughs about it were the latrines.
that thins out the number of people that want to go do this. You know, it's like, I'm not doing that.
The one latrine, 3 of us got lost coming back from the latrine. I don't know why. I thought, it's not that hard.
Well, I turned my Garmin on and walked up there. So there's a map that you can put. It was 0.07 miles to the latrine, which doesn't seem too far, but it's a lot of woods. And at night it would be extremely difficult to find. But what what we're looking for, it's a fiberglass bottom part of a outdoor toilet. That's it.
And it looks like a stump.
It looks like a stump. Yeah, that looks like a stump. And one actually had a toilet seat on there.
That was the luxury.
A luxury suite. Yeah, yeah. It didn't necessarily have the best view, but it had the best seat. But if you didn't land straight down on the seat, if you kind of cruised on, the seat would slip off the back. So, yeah.
Well, we didn't get to eat, like, so basically we had 2 other couples that are older than us that have harvested it a lot. So they came in and we all harvested it together, and then we filled up Duluth packs with the rice and they took it out, and then we're only in the wilderness for another 3 weeks or something, or a month. So we got to eat it after we came out.
Oh.
Yeah. It tastes really good. It's I mean, it's like what you buy in the store, but it's, I don't know, it's a little better.
It's
It's like anything that you harvest, right?
Yeah, absolutely.
So all the kernels are gone now, because the rice is ripe like around the beginning of September. So all the rice has fallen off, or the swans have eaten it.
Oh, you could see when the swans were just.
Yeah, I think that's why there's so many swans here, is because they came here and were harvesting the rice, and they're just hanging out until they fly south.
Gotcha.
But
Faith, thank you for letting me come on this. This has been an amazing experience with some awesome guys. I love you and I do miss you. And all I gotta say is last night you went to Los Bravos and we're drinking margaritas. I think you gotta take me now. Love you.
you could have been immortalized.
Amy wouldn't like it.
I couldn't ask. I just felt like I should have gestured.
The end. Hi, honey. I want to thank you for being so supportive and encouraging of my crazy adventures. We've had a wonderful time. I've missed you a lot, and I'll be home soon to see you. Love you. Bye.
All right, Olivia, thanks for letting us come out here. This has been amazing, and I couldn't do something like this without you at home taking care of the kids, and I appreciate it beyond words. I'm not much for speeches, so this is what I can give you, but I love you very much.
Hey Rachel, thanks for dealing with all the tiny human chaos while I'm gone. It's been a great trip, lots of fun paddling and beautiful stars at night. So glad I was able to do it, and thanks for all your support. Miss you and love you very much.
Good morning. As you can tell, I'm having my morning coffee. And yes, I will shave before I come home. But I wanted to let you know what a great trip it's been. And I really appreciate your support and having Doug and Tom come along with me. I'm really enjoying it. And of course, I miss you. I'm looking forward to seeing you when I get home.
So I want to say thank you, Heather, for letting me go with the guys and have a fantastic trip on the Boundary Waters. This area is unbelievable and would like to bring you back at some point, maybe to Ely, maybe not all the way up here. But thank you again. Love you. Signing off.
Okay.
Okay.
All right. Dear God, creator of the universe, king of everything, we are so grateful for these past couple days that you have shown us the beauty of your creation, and further to allow us to share this fellowship and brotherhood between us. We're going to be taking things home with us and be different people because of this adventure that we're having. And I ask only one thing, that you return us safely home to our families. I ask this in your name. Amen.
Amen. All right. Thanks, Dave.
Very good, Dave. Thank you, Dave.
Got about 50 or 60 pounds on my back, but man, this is the life.